I'm going to call it quits for now because I can't see any funnel clouds. They're behind the trees. Stupid trees. See, I can see it in that little thing down there. It's much darker. It looks like it's not dark at all, but I can actually see it. The dark. The line. Adjusted my settings a little bit. It shows more darkness. A little bit more darkness. According to them, the tornado is down there somewhere. I'm not really all that worried about it. I am going to go in now and look at the news.